Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the videopreneur. Check it out, 2026 Forest River IBEX. It's a 23 MBH. Let me show you the power control here. We also have a battery, LP bottles here, power tongue, pass-through storage. What I really want to show you is the tires on this thing. How you darn. Look at that. The meat on those tires. You can set up your outdoor kitchen here. We have storage. You can tell by the lights that it's, the windows rather, it's a bunkhouse, 2 outdoor speakers. When we slide around to the back, here you go. This is what I wanted to show you. Very nice setup. Now this is a lower bunk, folds down. You can put it in the up position. You can put bicycles, kayaks. Oh my. Here's a little better look at that spare tire. So we have a single slide on this side. We also have the all your hookups for your water and electric. We'll get inside. There's the 23 MBH badging. So it has a Murphy bed. I'm going to close this door behind us. It has a Murphy bed in the down position. I'll put it up here in a moment. Exhaust fan. We have windows for cross ventilation, your flat screen TV, bottle opener for your barley pop. Then we have your power controls, hooks here to hang up keys, hats, whatnot. We have a dining area. We also have dining area here, so dealer's choice, camper's choice, I guess. This is really an interesting, and I can't show you because we don't have the water on, but that's pretty cool. And look at that. Pretty darn cool. I've never seen one of those before. Farmer's sink, 3-burner cooktop, microwave and convection oven, storage below. We have the refrigerator and freezer, and you can see it's set up. You could flip it if you wanted to open in the other way, which I think the way it's set up is the proper way. Here's that bunkhouse area that I was showing you from the outside. So again, 2 windows. We have a top bunk, and then the bottom bunk, you can see wood fold down and the cushions, so you can have that go all the way down. And right now it's a perfect setup for, like I said, bicycles, kayaks. Let me show you your tremendous amount of storage here. And wow, you have a vacuum system, nice sized bathroom, and your medicine cabinet, as well as exhaust fans, skylight, nice wide shower, commode, storage below. As we swing around, I do want to show you the amount of storage you have underneath your dining. Very nice. So on both benches, and then I'm going to pause the video here and close the Murphy bed up to show you that configuration. So just a moment. So with the power of technology, there you go. Folded up the Murphy bed. We have cabinets on both left and right. We have shelving on both left and right. We have lower cabinets and lower drawers, as well as drawers below. And then you have a center armrest with cup holders. So rather nice setup. Again, 2026 IBEX 23 MBH. This is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. And nice wood service. Pro tip, when you go to cut on this, cut on this side. That way, this side stays nice and clean. So it always looks good when you're hanging it on the wall behind your backsplash or behind your 3-burner cooktop. Thank you again for watching. Leave a comment, question below. We'll catch you on the next video.